Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how easily you can upgrade or downgrade an active subscription plan. Before getting into this video, if you would like to know how to buy and pay for the BoldDesk subscription plan, follow the link provided in the card above or in the description below. In BoldDesk, we have 3 simple pricing plans that work for everyone. They are Starter, Growth, which is the most popular plan, and Enterprise. Each plan has different features. First, let's take a look at how to upgrade the subscription plan. Let us imagine you have already chosen the Growth Active plan and you want to upgrade it to the Enterprise plan. To upgrade your plan, navigate to the admin page and click the Billing and Subscription option under the General section, which will open the active subscription page. There you will find the Change Plan option. Click it. The Change Plan dialog will open. Select the desired plan and click Continue to select the billing cycle and agents. Now, select the desired billing cycle, either monthly or annually, update the required agent seats, and click Continue. Here, you can review the subscription amount that will be deducted from the next billing cycle. The total due today is the prorated amount for the duration, and this will be deducted immediately. You will also see the payment card from which the amount due will be deducted. Then, click the Update button to complete the payment process. The upgraded subscription plan will come into effect immediately. Likewise, you can downgrade the subscription plan by selecting the desired plan, billing cycle, or required agent seats in the Change Plan dialog. Now, I will show you how to downgrade from Enterprise plan to Growth plan. But, the subscription plan, agent downgrading, or billing cycle will come into effect only from the next billing date. In this video, I explained how to upgrade and downgrade from one plan to another in a simple manner. I also explained when the plan changes will come into effect. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I also explained come into effect. Useful, don't forget to click. Thanks for watching.